have to narrate. Okay. Let me know when I should start.
It's starting.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Hi. I'm eating bananas. Oh boy. Don't crash it again. Those were good. New favorite snack. Barely any calories. I can have like 30 of them for a whole banana.
So
It's better cold.
Watch the
Okay. Okay, so the challenge today is that my dad is gonna shoot 30 golf balls over our tree line and try and get it in a bucket. About 120 yards, yep. The goal is to get it over that tree line into a bucket in a field behind it. Alright, so he's about to take his first shot. Okay. And straight for the trees. He knocked a branch down. It's like tree trimming, but oh, better. Still the same tree. Oh, go, go. Yeah, I did. It is not in the bucket. It was too far and too far to the left. There we go. No? Oh. No. Maybe like with balls. I see what you're saying. I don't think so. Come on. Oh. Fire. Oh. Should go there. Don't work. Get it. Or. Corner. Nothing. Okay. Now free golf. I did you in out. Dad can cut this part out. I'm hungry for food and I have to work out still. Oh well. Wave to the camera! Oh, that's very close. Yeah? I'll try hitting like one. Dad, what's green and has wheels? What's green and has wheels? No, you gotta guess. No, what's green and has wheels? I lied about the wheels. The answer is grass. I heard that on TikTok and I thought it was funny. Okay. I haven't hit a golf ball in. I say like.
It's Anna's turn to hit the ball.
Also, I'm getting. Oh, shoot.
Excuses. Okay, fire it away. It was so hard and so fast I couldn't even see it. Good job. Ayana, keep going. She's going to get ready for a swing. She's practicing. Taking a stance. Oh, one straight for 30 yards. Great job. I don't think she lost that one. She used to be pretty good at golfing. Alright, she's gonna hit it back this way. Go for it. Whoa, hit the iPhone. Whoops. Yeah. Alright, try it again. Can she redeem herself? She's being lazy. It's not gonna work. She's gonna bend over and pick it up. Yes. There we go. It doesn't pay to be lazy. That's the lesson of the day. Just do it. Ooh, that is a good swing. Over the trees, come on.
That's a lot to ask.
Okay, just do it. Excuses. Whoa! That is about 50 yards. Run! Run, Forrest! Run! She's not running either. Okay, I tried this earlier. And I didn't have the third camera. Ooh! It's worth a shot. So I asked Anna to help me out with her phone. So what you're looking at right now is her phone. Alright, I think that's it for today.